One is written in the blue box, 1st of February 2021, and the day is Monday. We always have to write the date on the left side when we will do our homework, right? Okay, now everybody please stand up for the prayer. Everyone, please stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Very good. Very good, all of you. Now join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now everybody open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should say thank you to God every day, right? हमें रोज गॉड को थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए फॉर एवरीथिंग वी सी सराउंड अस, फॉर एवरी लवली मॉर्निंग वी सी, right? Now everybody please stand up. Please stand up on the floor for the exercise. Yes, very good everyone. Please stand up. Very good. Let's start with some warm up. Put your hands on your shoulders. Yes, move them in a circular motion. Count with me till 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. And now in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now same with the legs. Move them in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now with the second leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now take your right hand to the right knee, your left hand to the left knee. You need to touch your right knee with the right hand, bend yourself, and you have to touch your left knee with the left hand in the same direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, you don't hurry. Don't hurry. किसी ने जल्दी नहीं करना. You need to do it slowly, slowly. Bend down, bend your waist and try to touch below the knees. Bend down again and try to touch below your knees. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now take your hands above your head and do a namaste. Stand straight. Stand straight. Open your arms and take it above your head and do a namaste. Very good. Once again, Open your hand and do a namaste above your head. Very good. Very good. Now take your right hand to the left side. Left hand to the right side above your head. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now everybody take the support of the wall. Put your one leg over the another. Put your one leg over the another and do a namaste above your head. Very good. What you need to do, you have to balance your one leg over the another and then do a namaste above your head. Very nice, everybody. Very nice. I can see everybody trying. Don't try it on bed. Try it on the floor. Okay? Don't try it on the bed. Please try it on the floor. Now take your hands straight above your head. Bend down and touch your toes. Once again, take your hands straight above your head. Now try to touch the floor. Try to touch the floor. Very good. Once again, take your hands above your head. Bend down and try to touch the floor. Very good. Very good, everybody. Now everybody sit down. Clapping for everybody. Now breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Very good, all my dear kids. Very good. Now you need to sit like a acha bacha. Yes, arms folded and back straight. Very good. Now today we will talk about the different seasons of India. Right? We have कितने seasons होते हैं इंडिया में? We have 4 seasons in India. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. अभी अभी क्या खत्म हो रही हैं? Winters खत्म हो रही हैं. Now the flowers will blossom. Spring season आ रहा है, right? I will show you a picture. Yes, everybody, look at the picture. The spring season is coming. When the flower will blossom, it will be the sunny and pleasant weather. बहुत अच्छा अच्छा मौसम होगा. Sunny days होंगे, फ्लावर्स ब्लॉसम होंगे, प्लीजेंट रहेगा आपके लिए टिल मार्च, राइट? देन द समर्स विल कम. समर्स में क्या होता है? इट्स वेरी हॉट. Summers May, we got the summer holidays too in June, right? It's very hot outside that time. Then after the summers, the autumn will come. Autumn is, yes. So then the autumn season will come. Then the rains are there. Rainy season is also there, जिसमें wet होते हैं, गीले हो जाते हैं हम, hot भी रहता है, थोड़ी सी humidity भी रहती है, right? Then after the autumn season, the winters again come in December, right? जब हमें बहुत ठंड लगती है, we have very much cold weather outside. जब हम jackets पहनते हैं, caps पहनते हैं, right? Right? Yes. Okay. Now time to ask the questions. Okay, Lakshita?
Ma'am.
Yes. In winter season, what we have to wear? क्या-क्या पहनते हैं हम in winter season?
Ma'am, sweater, jacket, jeans, topi, or gloves.
Yes, very good. Very good. Now Adrika? Adrika, please unmute. Very good, Lakshita. आद्रिका, अभी कौन सा सीजन आ रहा है?
Autumn.
The spring season is coming up. The spring season, when the flower will blossom, the pleasant weather is there. Right? The spring season is coming from February, right?
Yes, everyone, my voice is coming. Spring means
Yes,
Basant. Basant means all the flowers, very colorful flowers, and very little cold and a pleasant weather is there. और आपको पता है फरवरी में बसंत पंचमी आएगी. बसंत पंचमी means बसंत ऋतु. बसंत is the weather and English name of Basant is spring. Okay, spring means flowers everywhere. Cold, sun is there, very windy, very मीठा ठंडा बोलते हैं इसको. बहुत अच्छा वेदर आने वाला है, right? So spring season is approaching and we will have a spring festival which is called Basant Panchami. आपकी मम्मा को पता होगा, सब येलो कलर की ड्रेस पहनते हैं बसंत पंचमी पे, like a flower. सब sunflower बनते हैं उस दिन. Okay, that means spring season is approaching now. Now every day is a sunny day. ठंडी है but बहुत कम है, but doesn't mean कि हम स्वेटर्स उतार देंगे. This season is very like crucial for all my dear kids. कोई भी बेबी स्वेटर और कैप नहीं उतारेगा. हमें पल भर में गर्मी लगेगी और एकदम से ठंड लग जाती है. Okay, so this weather is spring season. Spring season, that means February and March. जब बसंत आती है इसको बसंत ऋतु भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. एंड आफ्टर बसंत समर्स विल कम. ठीक है, अप्रैल मई जून 3 months फॉर समर्स. देन जुलाई अगस्त रेनी सीजन, वी नीड टू टेक अम्ब्रेला ऑल अराउंड. ठीक है, देन आफ्टर अगस्त September, October, November, autumn. Autumn again is a very pleasant but a little humid. Okay, उसके बाद फिर से winters आ जाएंगी. November, December, January, 3 months again for winters. Okay, so that is a complete cycle. पहले winter, spring, summer, rainy, winter. फिर से cycle आ जाएगी. Okay, so that is a cycle of all the seasons. जैसे फिर से जनवरी आ जाता है वैसे फिर से सारे सीजन्स आ जाते हैं. ओके, पता है हमारे स्कूल्स कब क्लोज हुए थे? मार्च में, और अब फिर से मार्च आ जाएगा नेक्स्ट मंथ. So that means one cycle we have completed. 1 year we
अब
have completed.
reason रहेगा.
Come again.
Bye, ma'am.
And you know what? Yes, one announcement for everyone. If any of my child, if any of my Vikaspuri kid wants to come na to the school, H block center is open now. अगर आपने play करने आना है ना, झूला झूलने आना है school में, तो you can come along with your mama. ठीक है? But आपने क्या करना है? आपने मैम को पहले से बताना है कि मैम I will come. Between 12:30 to 2:30, you can come and take ride. You can come and enjoy in the school. Okay, only for 2 hours, but you need to tell only 3-4 kids one day we are calling, not more than that. ठीक है? चलो, yes, over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so these were the 4 seasons in India जो हम एक cycle एक साल में 1 year में we follow these cycle. There are 4 seasons: spring, then will come summer, then rainy, and then winter. Again, spring will come, right? So now take out your copies. Over to you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to all my kids. Take out your English notebook. Today we are doing revision of letter S, K and Q. Shruti ma'am, please share the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all my babies. Today we are doing revision of letter S, K and Q. Right? And the phonic sound of S is sa. S, sa, sun. And next letter is K. Phonic sound of K is ka. K, ka, kite. And the third one is Q. And the phonic sound of Q is ka. Q,
Adrika,
queen.
Adrika, please mute.
Yes, quickly take out your English notebook. Yes, in your English notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side. Today is 1st Feb. Right? Okay. Cursive writing always start from third line. Right? First, we have to write letter S. S, sun. Very easy to write. Start from the third line. Go to the headline and make it capital S in 2 lines. These 2 lines. S. Small cursive S like a capital S. Next letter is K. Always start from the third line. Go to the top line. Come back. Make it a closed curve and slanting line. K. Kite. Third one is Q. Queen. Start from the third line. Make it a round. Slanting line. Come back to the headline. Q. Again I am repeating. Third line, make it a S. So, sun. K. Kite. Q. Queen. Q. Question. Let's write it S. K. Q. S, K, Q. Very easy to write. Yes, all babies doing very good. S, K, Q. Yes, Shrutyam, please share the English copy page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all my babies, you have to write like this. You have to make your English copy page like this. First, you have to write the date on the left side. Then write revision S, K, Q. Division of S, letter S, K, Q.
Yes, anyone who has done the first two lines? Very good, Aram Kumar.
Very good.
Very good, Drishna. Very good, Yagavi. Good, Rahitya. अनिका, a bit close, बेटा. थोड़ा सा क्लोज करके दिखाओ. Yes, very good. Very good. Complete the page. Very good, Lakshita. Very good, Reyansh. Good, Adrika. Very good. Very good, Altamash.
Mama, I have done.
Yes, Reyansh. Show it to ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Riyansh. Very good. We have 1 more minute to complete.
I have done, ma'am.
Very good, Dhairya.
Very. I am done.
I have done, Rahitya. Very good.
ये भी गलत था.
Adhyatm, please mute. Good, Lakshita. Very good. Very good, Altamash. I think everyone has completed. Shall we start with the next? Give me thumbs up who has done it. Yes. Sangeeta ma'am, please start.
Yes, all my babies, leave your English notebook and take out your Hindi notebook.
I have completed my work.
Yes, very good, Adrika. Now take out your Hindi notebook. Yes, take out your Hindi notebook. Today we are doing Hindi revision of Vyanjan Na, Fa, Sha. Shruti ma'am, please share the picture of Vyanjan Na, Fa, Sha.
Yes, ma'am.
Na pasa.
Yes, quickly take out your Hindi notebook. Yes. Na. Na. Nayan. Na. Nayan. Sha. Shatkon. Sha. Shatkon.
Adrika,
Song
please
has
mute.
6 sides. Right. Next, Fa. Fa. Fasal. Fa. Fasal. Fa. Fal. Right. We have already done 1 page of Vyanjan Na, 1 page of Vyanjan Fa and Sha. Now today we are writing combined Na, Fa, Sha in 1 page. Right? In your Hindi notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side. Right? Vyanjan Na. 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 Nal. Na. Nayan. So many things start from Vyanjan Na. Vyanjan Na. How to write Na? Standing line. Slanting line from the left side. Make it a close curve. Sleeping line on the top. Na. Nayan. Na. Nal. Na. Nak. So many things start from Vyanjan Na. Next Vyanjan is Fa. Why is very easy, very simple. First, you have to make a pa. Pa, like a 4. And a curve and a tail from the right side. One sleeping line on the top. Fa. Fa, fal. Last one is sha, shatkon. Sha, shatkon. Very easy to write. Again make it a pa. And slanting line in pa. Make it a sleeping line. Sha. Na, fa, sha. Again I am repeating. Standing line, sleeping line, and the curve makes vyanjan na. Make it pa, and the one tail, sleeping line, it will become fa. Again make it pa, slanting line, it will become sha. Na, fa, sha. Na, nal, fa, fal, sha, shatkon. Na, nayan, fa, fasal, sha, shatkon. Yes, write it na, fa, sha combine in one page. You have to write na, fa, sha. Yes, this is your Hindi copy page. You have to write the date on the left side. Then write na, fa, sha. Revision of Vyanjan. Na, fa, sha. Right? Yes. Na, fa, sha.
Very good, Altamash. Very good, Rayansh. Very good, Lakshita. Beautiful. We have to write na for sure on one page.
I have done, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Aram. Okay, who will tell me कौन सी ऐसी चीज है न से जिसके बिना वेजिटेबल नहीं बनती?
I've completed 3 lines, ma'am.
Very good, Adrika. न से क्या होता है जो हर चीज में डाला जाता है, हर वेजिटेबल में? वेरी गुड धैर्य, इट्स नमक। न से नमक। Okay, who have completed the work, they can show.
Completed the work taken, so
Very good, Dhairya. Very good, Drishna. Good, Adhyatma. Very good, Reyansh. Very good, Adrika. Okay, everybody, very good. So today we have done the revisions. Very good, Anika. Revision of English and revision of Hindi. And we have done a new topic, the seasons. Right? Now, everybody, please stand up for the goodbye.
Yes, Rabia, good. Now stand up.
Everybody, please say goodbye to your friends and ma'am.